Hello everyone, we are Andres and Giedre. We spend years and years dreaming and planning on how we can quit and leave boring and meaningless city life behind and live more sustainable, healthier, slower paced life in the countryside. And in 2022, our dreams came true. We sold our home in the UK and set off to sunny central Portugal. It wasn't plain sailing from the beginning. Buying our off-grid homestead cost us a lot of patience and time. Follow our journey from the very beginning and we really hope it will inspire someone else to make that choice, as life is just too short for 9 to 5 work to pay bills routine. And yes, we do regret one thing about our journey. It's a fact we haven't started it earlier.
Morning guys, I just want to share with you nice purchase I made yesterday. It's 35 bags of how they call it, Pebbles, because I know that I told you that's cork granules or something in the previous videos, but yeah, they call Pebbles. They come in different sizes. Those particular ones are... Anyway, I'll open one of the bags to see it. And I was a little bit concerned because when we used to go to Castelo Branco, we found one shop which sells them, but I never seen 2 or 3 bags, more than 2 or 3 bags in store. So yesterday I found a lovely American guy, Mike, on Facebook, who just done his floors and he had some leftovers. So there we go. I hope it's gonna be enough. That's 35 bags. Couldn't fit all of them in here.
And we were debating, shall I go?
Shall I take Guffy with me?
Yeah.
But have a look.
Wouldn't be space for me or Guffy.
Now the problem is where to put them. We're probably gonna put them in a X-pick pen and cover it with roof sheeting. So yeah, that's another worry out of our shoulders. We got cement already. We got those already. So
And how much were they?
they were €3 each. In a shop they sell for $4.50, or Mike said $5.50 in Spain he paid. Yeah, and I get it for €3 each. I can't remember, guys, if I show you before, but on our land we got another pig pen. Here. So that's where we plan to store our insulation. Put something on the floor and put some roof sheeting on top. And in the future we can have pigs in here.
How many?
7.
7. No.
That's it. Floor sorted.
And rubbish bags are sorted as well.
Yeah, we'll have lots of bags for the rubbish.
Reuse.
We just need to cover it now with another metal sheet. And that's it.
You're surrounded by cats.
Come on, say it.
What? No, you need to say it, what you just told me.
I just want to do a thing which would make most sense.
Yeah. Over.
To have the walls the same thickness as this.
70 centimeters.
No. This is 60.
And what do I want?
You want 20, just
No,
to have more room in the kitchen.
No, I don't. I want 40, same as it is.
So this is 60.
Okay,
You see?
yes.
It would make perfectly sense to make a
And
wall
now
of
it's
60.
50. As it is now. We're not losing 10 centimeters.
But we want to make it stronger
we will make it stronger.
at 60 centimeters.
No, we're not.
Have a look, guys, what Discovery G made the other day. Apparently we thought the stone was flat, but it looks like someone drilled into it and cracked a piece out. Probably, maybe, I thought if the animals were kept there, so maybe they were pouring water or food for the animals, they made like a natural bowl.
And what I thought, it was higher. The stone was higher, so we just needed to crack it.
Or maybe they cracked a piece of stone here to use for building.
I don't think that was drinkable water for animals.
You never know.
We never know.
Okay, so Sunday morning, we're full of energy, and it's time to crack on, to finish with that old wall. And luckily on Monday, tomorrow, we'll buy some lime,
Lamp?
I'm still hungry. Yeah, tomorrow we'll buy some lime, and we might start putting it back up.
I seen a comment, they said, oh, it's only gonna take 2 weeks.
I wish.
That's very positive.
Yeah. Some of you said in the comments that should get a gloves, proper gloves. And yeah, you're right. Them gloves last like few hours or something. And then they got holes already. So yeah, on our trip tomorrow to Castelo Branco, we're probably gonna get some leather gloves. What I'm sitting on now is not part of the kitchen's wall. This is the animals enclosure wall. But because it wasn't even filled with the clay mix, it was filled just with black soil. So I just decided to take everything down to clear all the soil and to replace with the lime mix.
Here we go.
The cornerstone was where the cat is now. No, it moved.
Still is.
So yeah, it just takes a very long time because you can't dig with a shovel, a proper shovel. There are lots of small rocks in the ground. So what I've been doing, just spending probably about hour and a half it took me to do this. Just sitting and digging, slowly but surely.
And what I was doing,
Nothing.
Yeah, nothing. I was filming for my recipe videos. And whilst Andres is digging and working hard, I was making my new cooking video. Today I'm doing chicken kebab. So if you want to see how delicious it looks, please go onto my channel and I'll see you there.
Morning everyone. So for today, hopefully we're gonna finish cleaning all this our future building site. There are lots of clay, dirt, small infill stones like that, which everything needs to be separated. I think there is no other way to start as basically just make everything nice and tidy, that you can measure, you can plan, and yeah, that's what we're gonna try to do today. We don't have a full day today. We've still got Portuguese classes in the evening. Then we have a neighbor coming for lunch. So yeah, we'll be trying to do as much as possible today.
You wanna eat, Sandra? That's what you're saying? Let me give you some food. going to film how long it will take Guffy to understand that you're turning on the tractor. He's just somewhere there.
He'll be there in a second.
He's just up there in the end of our land. Not much left on Joe.
Yeah, another week or two.
Guffy.
Hello. So, as you can see, it's quite a slow process. It's not so difficult to remove tons of soil with that. Yeah, but I think we're getting there. We cleaned most of the previous building off. We clean a little bit on the side of it, so we can make a better foundations. We can to secure dam rocks as well as to that side. Yeah, G been cooking for 2 days, so don't forget to check the cooking channel anytime soon when the videos will be out. And yes, guys, I got a feeling soon we're gonna announce that we are looking for some volunteers. Anytime soon. So thank you for watching. Thank you for sticking with us during this difficult time.
Difficult? It's not even difficult yet.
Difficult time for the back. And yeah, that's it for this video. As you can see, there was not much to show, as we just kept digging and digging and digging, and also spent 1 day in Castelo Branco. So yeah, that only left us with 2 days of work from the last video up to now. Good luck, guys, and I see you on a weekend video as well. Bye.
Bye.
Yeah, say bye. Bye.